Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your plan supports higher hotspot speeds and your phone is running updated OS and carrier settings. Once that's verified, switch to 5G or the fastest available band. This reduces latency and increases throughput immediately. Next, position the phone near a window and remove any case. Signal gains matter. Don't waste time on apps yet. Enable hotspot, set a strong WPA2/3 password, and connect one test device to measure baseline throughput. Now you refine settings on both the host phone and client. Force the phone onto 5G or the least congested LTE band that maximizes raw capacity. Reduce simultaneous clients to prioritize your active device and bump channel width to 20 MHz or higher in compatible hardware. This widens the data pipe. On the host, turn off background sync, automatic updates, and power saving so the radio stays active. On the client, clear network caches and prefer DNS that responds faster to trim milliseconds. Finish by measuring performance. Run a speedest and record ping, upload, and download so you can compare changes. If results are still low, swap to a dedicated mobile hotspot or add an external antenna for sustained gains. These remove phone thermal throttling. Once done, secure the hotspot and monitor data. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting trick. Toggle airplane mode, reboot the host device, then manually reselect the preferred network band. This often clears stuck radio states and restores speed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.